Okay, today I'm going to show you how to change a primer, because my primer is ripped. Change the primer bulb, and how to adjust the fuel. Okay. Take that off. Take this off. Right here, as you can see, there's 4 screws over here. Just remove it. Okay. Which this doesn't need it to replace. What I really need is just this bulb right here to replace, because the bulb ripped. As you can see, it ripped right here. Right there, it ripped. So all I'm doing is replacing a new bulb. They got two different sizes. One's for the small one, one's for the big one. This one's small. So all I'm doing is replacing the bulb. Put this back. Okay. Let's see if I'm okay. That's the right spot. Okay. Tighten it back. And that is it on how to replace a primer bulb on a gas trimmer. Next, I'm going to show you how to adjust a fuel flow of a trimmer. As you can see right here, you see right here, it needs a special tool. Okay, you can't adjust it with a screwdriver or anything. There's people that try to adjust with this. You can only adjust it with something like this. You go see on YouTube people adjusting with something like this. You can only adjust it if it's actually loose. Okay, you cannot adjust it when it's tight. So you do need a special tool for it. And that special tool is called, that special one is called eccentric. This is the whole kit. This is the whole kit that have every single tool that you need to adjust a carburetor. Okay, you adjust it right here, put it here, as you can see the tool. Okay, put it, okay, when it's actually in, then you can actually twist it. See this one? This is actually tight, so that's why you can't really adjust it with something like this. So you can turn it left, or you can turn it right. You turn it right, shutting it off, turn it left to reduce, to increase more gas flow. Okay, that's how you adjust a gas flow on a gas trimmer. All right, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.